In a few minutes, you'll be able to use your emojis to make $25 every day with zero cost to you. You use emojis every day when chatting with friends and family, and it is hard to imagine what our lives would be like without them. But these emojis are more than just icons we use every now and then. In today's video, we have something pretty exciting to share with you, as we'll be showing you how you can earn up to $25 a day from your emojis without any hassle. We'll be dishing out a lot of crazy details, and by the end of this video, we have a big bonus tip that will definitely increase how much money you can earn from this method. Sit tight, and you don't want to miss a second of what we have in store for you. We are starting off with a website called flaticon.com. From the information on the homepage, this is a website that gives you access to over 7 million stickers, emojis, icons, and stuff like that. If you check out the website a bit, they have different types of icons and stickers, like animated icons, interface icons, artificial intelligence icons, and a whole bunch of stuff. This website is where we are going to get all the emojis, stickers, and icons we are going to use to make money online through this method. But first, we have to register. At the top right corner over here, there is this icon that looks like a person, and you have to tap on that to register. You will immediately be redirected to another page, and since you don't have an account with them, click on the Sign Up option down. You can create an account with your Google accounts, Facebook accounts, or email, and you can choose whatever you want. Register and your new page should look like this. What we need from this website is the patterns generator because it will help us to create the different designs we are going to use to make money. Now, finding the patterns generator on the website can be a bit tricky, and the easiest way to get to it is to type flaticon.com/pattern on your browser, and it will take you to the page. Your patterns generator page should look like this with a blank space and a lot of emojis at the side. Click on any emoji you like and it will appear in the white space you can see on your screen. You can select one emoji, two, or more because they are absolutely free. Apart from the emojis, there are also stickers and icons you can use, and what you are going to do with them is create a design. All the emojis, stickers, and icons you use will find their place in the empty space, or you can drag them to where you want them to be. You can leave the background as it is if you like. And if you want to change it up a bit, you can click on this icon right here that looks like an artist palette, and a color wheel will appear. Select the color that you like to use, and right below the wheel, there is a tool you can use to adjust the transparency and give you the design that you want. Have you gotten a design you are happy with? When you are done, tap on the download button underneath to download the image. But before you can download the image, can you see the parameters or requirements at the top of the image? We are going to adjust it a little bit before we can continue. The image should be set at PNG. The tile size here should be 350, and the image should be 700 on the left and 350 on the right. Now you can download it. You can change the parameters if you want, but to get this right, it is advisable that you do it the same way we did. After downloading your design, go back to where we started and clear the page to have a new blank slate for your designs. The website comes with an option that randomly gives you a design, and you can go with this if you don't want to go through the trouble of coming up with a design all over again. The best part is that you can still tweak the random designs a bit by adding emojis, stickers, and icons you want to see in your design. Change the background like we showed you, and download your new design. For the next part of this method, we are going to be talking about a site where you can sell your patterns, and this is a global freelance marketplace called Fiverr. There are millions of people using it, and you can easily sell any pattern you make here. You are going to scroll down until you see the section called Categories, and there you are going to select Graphics and Design. There are several categories under Graphics and Design, and what you are going to look for is Patterns Design. You have to create an account with them before you can post anything, and you can easily create an account with your Google account. Easy, right? There is no need to wait for anything before you start selling. For those who stuck with us till the end, here's our bonus tip just like we promised. There is a unique website called 99designs.com that connects businesses to professional creatives just like yourself. It provides a platform where you can post the pattern designs that you created and have different people see and buy them from you. There is a Designers Join Now button for you to join the platform, and you will be redirected to another page. Select the I am a designer option and fill in your email, password, tick the I am not a robot verification box, and boom, you have a new account. But before you can post any of your designs, you need to complete an application, and the website may ask you to submit up to 6 designs that you have for them to fully set up your account. They will ask for personal information like your name, your creative journey, and you'll be asked to provide a picture they can put on your profile. Once you complete the process, you can have people from all over the world see your pattern designs and buy them from you. This is how you make $25 or more every day with your emojis. 99designs.com has a lot of tell us this and show us that, and honestly, going through the sign-up process can be a bit too much for some people, which is why we are going to show you another website you can use if you don't want to go through all the trouble. Like 99designs.com, Template Monster's digital marketplace is a popular platform among designs, and it also connects designers to interested businesses and brands. The best part is, the sign-up process is easy, so you don't have to do a lot before you can get started. Search for the Template Monster digital marketplace on your browser and select the first website you see in the search results. Or, if you want to go straight to the website, enter templatemonster.com/marketplace on your browser. Once you are taken to the website's page, click on Become an Author. Follow the instructions to create an account, and a verification message will be sent to your email so that they can be sure it's you. Verify your account and you have a space to post your designs. You will see a lot of useful information on your dashboard. And when you scroll down a bit, there is a small button that says Upload New Product, and on the next page that appears, search for patterns in the product category. Fill in the remaining information for the product and upload the product to the site. You don't have to create different designs for each website, and once you have 5 or more designs, you can post all of them on the platforms. After the process is complete, you just have to sit back and wait for people to pay you for it. Imagine earning money for something you didn't spend a dime on to create. Flaticon.com will never run out of emojis and stickers, which means that you can always go back and create fun new designs whenever you want. It is a great way to test how creative you can be. With this method, you can easily make up to $25 right from the comfort of your home.